I'm going to be showing you how to fix Google Chrome not responding. So if Google Chrome is not responding, freezing, or crashing frequently, you can try these fixes in order. So the first thing you can do is force close and restart your Chrome. So you just need to open your task manager. You can open it by using Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. And then all you need to do is end your task and just reopen Chrome. So the second thing you can do is clear your browsing data. So in order to do that, you just need to open your Chrome. Look at the top right where you can see the three dot button. Just go ahead and tap here. And now right at the bottom you can find settings. Just go ahead and tap here. And now just look at search settings and type in browsing data. So you should find delete browsing data. The option is right here. Just go ahead and tap here and make sure you select cookies and other site datas and make sure you have the time range on all time. This is the option you need. And now all you need to do is tap on delete data. So sometimes this can also cause lag and will make Google Chrome non-responsive. The third thing is to disable extensions. There are some extensions that could hinder with Google Chrome. So make sure you've disabled all of the extensions, and if the problem is still persisting, then that means the extensions are not the problem. And make sure your Google Chrome is up to date. Outdated versions may bug out, so Chrome will auto-update if one is available, and then all you need to do is restart after update. So in this way, you can successfully fix Google Chrome not responding. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and see you again in our next video.